to show you guys. Look, I'm not even kidding. You see that? These are the ones that I just hauled. They look nice. They look airbrushed. See that? Discount Diva here. I figure this is a nice color for 4th of July, the blue. See how pretty it looks? Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick video on the products that I've picked up for my girls. And I've gotten detanglers, bubble bath, 2-in-1 shampoo, body wash, and one more item. I'm gonna show you. So I've purchased these a few times. They love this because it's a foaming one, so as I'm running the water, bubbles are just foaming. It's 20 ounce and it's watermelon. They love this. I feel like I picked these up a lot. This I recently picked up Shimmer and Shine 2-in-1 shampoo, and it's strawberry sparkle, 8 ounces. It's a shampoo and conditioner in one formula. And this one's nice because it's also has a little bit of a detangle in it, and it helps with the flyaways. The girls like this. And then I found the detangler to go with the Shimmer and Shine, and this one is cotton candy scented, 8 ounces as well. So this is good. It works. Nice detangler. I also tried the Barbie one, the Barbie cotton candy scented one, also 8 ounces, and it helps with untangling their hair. And this one I just this one I got and they like it. It's Pup Berry body wash, Paw Patrol. It smells nice. Yeah, it has a nice berry smell. 12 ounces. Nickelodeon. And I don't recall what the name of this is, but I remember that it said $4 on it. This is a good detangler. I've gone through a few trying them out, and this one has been the one that's been good for their hair. I don't have any names on it or anything, but I definitely picked it up at the Dollar Tree. And holy grail right here, Pure Refined Coconut Oil by Butcher Boy. It's 7.2 ounces. My girls have dryness behind their ears and right here around their scalp. After I give them a nice bath, I put this all around behind their ears, around their scalp, even on their face and their body. This stuff is good. I've even used it myself. But this you have to find in the food aisle though. It's not in the like the beauty aisle or the health aisle. This is in the food aisle. That's where I found it. And then I picked up this little guy too. The girls play with this Cookie Monster because it's a squirter. And I put all these things in my little basket from the Dollar Tree, of course. See, this is their little basket for bath time, their detangler, their body wash, and all these items I have tried and they're great. So yeah, that's it. And the nails, guys, cute, right? Airbrush. It looks like a nice, like I just got my nails done and I got the nice airbrush design. Look at that. How pretty is that? See? Cute. All right, guys, I'm winding down and about to go to sleep. Wanted to give you guys that last review of the bath time products for the girls, for children. I mean, these things are good to know because, you know, you're not just picking stuff up because it's $1. You know, these things, they're good, especially the Shimmer and Shine. body washes and all that stuff. This bubble bath, I feel like I buy one every week. They love their bubble bath. And that's it. Hope you guys are having a nice evening. I'll be making more videos. I'll probably have one coming up for the 4th of July. And let's see, yeah. Alright guys, it was nice chatting with you guys. Hope you liked this video. And please subscribe. Until next time, here, Discount Diva. Good night. Sweet dreams.